Tired of static, uninspired character poses in your AI art? Today, we're unlocking the power of precise character posing in Leonardo AI, giving you complete control over your creations. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have your desired base image loaded into Leonardo AI now. Locate the Edit Character Pose option within your tools. This is your gateway to dynamic character positioning. Once you're in the posing module, you'll notice virtual controls directly on your character model. These act like a digital mannequin, allowing you to select and manipulate individual limbs. Simply click and drag on a limb and arm, a leg, a finger, and watch it adjust. You can bend elbows, rotate wrists, tilt heads, and even refine facial expressions by manipulating subtle points around the face. Don't stop at basic movements. Experiment with different hand gestures to convey emotion. Want your character to look surprised? Try widening their eyes and opening their mouth. Need them to look determined? A subtle clench of the jaw can do wonders. For even greater accuracy, you can often guide the AI by subtly referencing a desired pose. Think of it as sketching out the silhouette you want. The AI will then interpret your adjustments to achieve that specific body language and positioning. Mastering character posing in Leonardo AI opens up a world of storytelling, from dynamic action shots to subtle emotional moments. You can now craft precisely the character behavior you envision. Go forth and pose with purpose.